Hey, what is going on? It's Eric, and we're back with a couple of Cobra 29s. Two of them, actually. And they're Taiwan, so I'm believing this is an 85 because this has a PC 900 Alpha Charlie board. This one here has a PC 900 Alpha Bravo board in it. This one has absolutely no mods. Nothing has ever been done to it. And of course, with that, it comes with a mic bracket, mounting screws, and even the rubber washers mounting bracket, which doesn't look like it's ever been used, and a 4-pin Cobra microphone. See how right in there. So that is very nice. That is one radio that I'm putting up, and this one here as well. This one here has been done a little bit differently, but someone on my channel may recognize exactly this radio. And it was in terrible shape, but I ended up doing the tip 120 mod to it on the Delta Tune. The Delta Tune's still inside the radio, but yeah, you'll have the tip 120 mod on it. Everything else is the same, and then of course we have channel 19 and 9. You can switch, clip a diode, get channel 19. Of course, it'll always display channel 9. So this one's been modified a little bit. This one here has not. So 85 and 83 from what I can tell, but they're Taiwan models, so take that as you will. But I don't have a use for Cobra 29s in my shack, and it's actually taking up a ton of room. I don't have a room for a lot of things, actually. We're gonna just talk about that too. Up here, I didn't even know I had a 1,000-watt SLUG in there instead of pulling out my 100-watt SLUG. But if I can get this to focus, maybe, possibly. But yeah, I have no use for this one. And if someone has a 10-watt SLUG, maybe we can work out a deal. Because yeah, this is up for sale too. Then I found 2 watt meters. Of course, these are zeroed out. It's a Bird 43 meter right there. I have another one as well, zeroed out. But yeah, it's another Bird's meter as well. Both of these are by, by Watts Electronics. So 2 Bird meter 43s, Cobra with a variable in it, and a Cobra that's not been touched with all the stuff. So this is what I'm pulling out so far. But yeah, if anybody wants this, I don't want to list it on eBay because you know how much money they take? Goodness. I'd just rather get it to somebody quickly. A 1,000-watt SLUG right there. 2 of the Bird meters. We have a Cobra modified a little bit. Limiters in both of these, no problem. And yeah, I got to get rid of these. So if you have any offers, go ahead and send me a comment or an email or text us, and yeah, I'm more than happy to do that than throw all this stuff on eBay. And whoa, do I have more than this. So let's get going with it. Now I know I have a whole bunch of stuff up for sale, but I just wanted to go ahead and throw out a shout out. Doing that #1 shout out is going to be Matt at the Radio Garage. Man, that guy, wow, oh wow. Every video he puts out education, and everyone that has commented on my channels about Matt has said the same thing. I've actually never talked to the gentleman on the phone. Like me, I'm sure he is extremely busy, but yeah, I would love to have some time to talk to him, so I may talk to Matt at the Radio Garage. Be awesome just to have a phone call with the gentleman when he's not busy. And yeah, I got to haul this stuff for sale. But yeah, this channel, #1 up to Matt, for sure. For sure. Matt, you are awesome. I'll say that. And his channel's in the link below at the very, very top. Thank you, Matt, at the Radio Garage. A shout out to a lot of channels that I subscribe to, and I'm sure every one of you have. And we have 3 made up in North Carolina. Very awesome. That man does some amazing work. and I don't think he gives himself enough credit for it. A very smart man. He called me one, but yeah, I left my Pete kit on last night all night. So I may not be that smart, but I do my best. But yeah, we just go through the shout outs, and we have Ground Control 204. He is amazing in doing some stuff, and I look forward to it. Ground Control may know that radio, but yeah, it was given me as a good luck. Yeah, we did something with it, but then we have our amazing friends that we forget to shout out. 577 New Jersey, doing some amazing work. So that's awesome as well. There is so many good guys. BBI. We also have our good friend, and actually an awesome channel, is XPO Radio. You can check that out. I'll throw that link in the description below as well, with all the other channels. That is a great channel. He actually has some banging music going with his repairs. I wish I had the time to edit and do stuff like that. I don't, but I want to give him his shout out. XPO Radio. If you don't know it, you should, and you should subscribe to the channel. If you're in Canada, in the BC area, yeah, that's the guy for you. I'm not sure if he does imports or anything, but XPO radios, I do appreciate it. But yes, we have to get rid of all this stuff, and it's a similar scenario from a lot of channels that we all have a lot of stuff that probably go to better use. These meters, that SLUG, these radios like I have. Most of the guys don't hate on anybody. Everybody's out here enjoying themselves on the radio. No matter what band you're on, you could even be on Ham and find an asshole. But our job is just enjoy radio. And yeah, I want to get all this off to people that would enjoy it more than me. But yeah, check out the different channels. I'll put them down below.